everybody?
Giving opinions.
Get ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, and. Again, pinakalit. 5, 4, 3, 2, and.
Giving opinions is an important part of communication. When giving opinions, it's essential to be respectful and considerate of others' feelings. Using phrases like "I believe" or "in my opinion" can help soften the tone and avoid sounding confrontational. Active listening is also crucial, as it shows that you value the other person's thoughts and are willing to consider their perspective.
Again, pinakalit.
Respectful disagreement is another way of giving opinions. It's okay to have differing views, but it's how you express them that matters. By being confident and willing to engage in constructive debate, you can build stronger relationships and gain a deeper understanding of different perspectives. Giving opinions is about sharing your thoughts while being respectful of others. Using phrases like "I believe" or "in my opinion" helps. Active listening and respectful disagreement are also key. Phrases or giving opinions. I feel that. I believe that. In my opinion, it seems to me that. I'm convinced that. From my perspective, the way I see it, as I see it, to my mind, in my view, from my standpoint.
Okay, so that is the beginning phrases for you to complete a sentence in giving opinions. So, dili lang I believe, you can say I feel that, or from my standpoint, in my view. So, you can use those phrases in giving your own opinions. Okay, move on.
What do you think about? What is your opinion about? How do you feel about? What's your take on? What are your thoughts on? Do you have any views, opinions, comments on? Would you like to share any thoughts about? I'd like to hear your views on. I'd be very interested
Write the group number first. What was the question? What's the goal of giving an opinion, and what's the answer? To share your thoughts and your perspective. Okay, correct. Puzzle pa. Nat, Natalie. Listen. Kanya na siya, oh. ABCD na gyapon. Ayun na siya about on kay giving opinions.
Group test na?
Dili, 1 to 5 yun siya, kaya group test, tapos ang 6 to 10 may yung individual test, ABCD rin yan. Kanila siya, mapalong gani, 2, 4, 4, 4 lang. Ayan siya.
Balik pa ka, sir?
Oh, number 1. Sige lang pa rin, nagyapon. Number 1, nagyapon. Ayun na, about on giving opinions, Samantha. Okay, ABCD, write the letter of the correct answer. Listen to the teacher, ready? Persuade others. Persuade. Again. Five, count. Ang tawa na. 20. May I see the answers? Okay, to express your thoughts and feelings. Okay, down. Again. Example of giving an opinion. Okay. Okay, count. 5. Okay, B. Sa may timaylahan.
B.
Sa may timaylahan, yun ang B ang answer. Na I think. No, I think that is an opinion. Okay. What is the difference between fact and opinion? B is a fact, is a proven truth, while an opinion is a viewpoint. Okay. C. Okay. Count 5. 40. Two, 4.
What is the importance of supporting an opinion with evidence? A. To persuade others.
Persuade.
Persuade others. B. To confuse others. C. To express a personal viewpoint. D. To avoid criticism. Again, what is the importance of supporting an opinion with evidence? A. To persuade others.
To persuade others. B.
B.
To, what is it? To confuse. To confuse. Ilaron. Okay. To confuse others. C. To avoid criticisms. Okay. May I see? Lantas ako. Yes, to persuade others. Letter A. Okay, when you are... So, wala yung answer. Okay. May nakakorek. No. For 100 points, no? So, using phrases for giving opinions, I believe, in my opinion, okay, ask them their opinions, which is better, dogs or cats? Okay, which is better, dogs or cats? So, using your opinions and dapat na evidence, no? To support your claim, write them which is better, dogs or cats. That's the first topic. Which is better, dogs or cats? 20 seconds, write your answers. Which is better, dogs or cats? Ay, yep. Plus. So, the answer. If you choose dogs, write your answer. Ang sa'yo sinugdanan, I feel that it is better to have a dog because, because, ha? In my opinion, cats is better because, na reason. In my opinion, dogs are better because, unsay rason. Better because okay, let's ask the first. Dili lang by group man ni. Okay, call the first group. Tindog sa basahin nila lang answer. Okay. Sila. Okay, read your answers. Kamutan magbasa, Lorvino, down. Dili ka kita. Wait, -10 nasaba again. Tanan magbasa sa group, dili isa ra. Okay, sa front sa blackboard, dito mo linya mo dito. Okay, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ang kakita mo sa video, palihog lang. 5, 4, labayan na sa trapo. 5, 4, 3, 2, and start.
In my opinion, dogs are better because they are a man's best friend.
Okay, 100 points. Dogs are better than cats because they're man's best friend. Next. Wala pa. Napay nagbasa. You wait for your turn. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and.
In my opinion, dogs are better because dogs are faster and friendly.
Okay, 100 points.
Yay!
Okay, next sila na. Kamu na, Janelle. Pag una-unang topic, Natalie, mga papilian.
I feel that cats are better because I love them.
Okay, 100 points. Okay, kamu na.
My opinion, dogs are better because they strong and friendly.
Okay, correct. They are strong and friendly. Again, in my opinion.
In my opinion, the dog is because
Because? Strong. Okay, correct. Do not cover your faces. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and.
In my opinion, cats is the best because they are not loud and they are sweet.
Okay. Okay, second topic. Ikaw maghatag, which is better? Ako lang. Ikaw maghatag, unsa may papilian? To anak, naglabay-labay na. Isara. Okay, ready? Okay. Sana na kayo mapilian? Dili basahon. Ikaw na pagpili. Which is better? Magata kag choices. Ha? Ikaw maghatag sa choices. Duha. Is either tao, animals, or... No, dili. Dua casting nga papilian nila.
What is bitter? Dinosaur.
Mana? Yeah, Rhapsody. Which is better, father or mother? You have to choose one. Okay, ready? Dili pwede both? Wrong ang answer mo both. You have to choose one and give your reason. Mother or father? Which is better, mother or father? In my mind, in my view, in my opinion, I feel that, I believe that, Dili. Okay, raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, kamu na. Okay, correct. 100. In our opinion, our mother because she supports us more and protects us and loves us more. Okay, 100. She is my hero. Unsa na? Ay, hero. Again. In our opinion,
my mother is our better because she is my hero and she is supportive.
Okay, correct. 100. Okay, kamu. Ay, napas sila namin. Yan na lang mo.
My opinion, my mom is better because she's always there for me.
Huwag nang pili sa father ha. Bantay lang yun mo.
Father, because the father is bunal-bunal me. Their father is business. Bunal-bunal me. Minda, kami paminda. Oh, pwede minda. Bunal-bunal me.
Period.
Kami na! My father is bitter because bunal-bunal rin.
Okay, ready?
Wala pa! Oy, tama si Rote!
Okay, wait. In our again. In our opinion,
1, 2, 3.
in our opinion,
And our opinion is in our opinion, it's my mother. It is because she is my hero and loving and kind.
okay, 100. Okay, next topic. Nana ka naunan? No. Ayan ang cousin. Okay. Which is better to have a lover? Your best friend or your crush?
Best friend.
You're right to answer. Which is better to have a lover, your crush or your best friend? And write your answers. That's the fourth topic, di ba? Cats and dogs, mom and father, tapos ay katulog pa di ay katulog. So you write your own perspective. Which one is the best to have a lover, your crush or your best friend? And write your reason. Okay, correct. Ignacio Bonska.
Kami sir!
Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and.
We believe that our bestie is the best because they support us every day.
Tell it to Janelle. Okay, come on.
Sir, dili lagi ko kumain lang ako. Sir, dili na ko igo, sir.
Gagawin yan, yes, August. Kamu naman sa ibubasa. Okay, correct. Okay, the fourth topic. Sige, Natalie. Nayaw na, yun na. Ay, nanganak sa'yo na kayo na siya. Very easy, very easy. Ako na lang. Which is better? Barog or paglao? Let's try to see their opinions. Write your answers. Okay. Depend. Ayuda. Mayor Kina. Okay. Wait lang. Minus 15 na nang sa bahay. Wala na kaikot pagtarong. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and.
Our opinion, Barong is better because they are responsible.
Okay, correct.
Sir, kapita sir.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Okay, ready.
And our opinion is Barong because the Paglao only depend on ayuda and always keep on spending, not helping.
Okay, correct.
Dito po yan. Dito po yan.
Bigla. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and.
In our opinion, Banglaon, no! Barong is the best because it's kind and helpful there.
Kasaban niya kasi yung mama. Kasaban niya. Paglaom mo yung mama.
Barong bangko, kasang Pinas mama. Ali, balik sa tiyan.
Mother versus daughter daw. Okay, paminawa si Rhapsody kay mother versus daughter daw. Mother versus daughter. Okay, let's listen to Christian's group. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and.
In my opinion, Baroque are better because they help other people.
Okay, correct. Teka muna. Wait. Ikaw pakadungog. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and.
I believe that Baroque is better because they help our community and people.
Okay, correct. Okay, last group.
Paglaom is bitter because paglaom is bitter.
Baroque kita! Baroque kita!
Hoy, wait. Napay mag-answer. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and. Okay, correct. Kaya na pa yung last topic. Kasi last topic niya awayan.
Who's better, Duterte or Marcos?
Wala batang sila. Sa may laan niya topic ka kanan. Wala better sila. Wala iya po sa mo.
Saging is Louis.
Ano sa inyo kasagaragawayan ninyo? I-debate.
Bukas plato! Ay, kami sa kuya! Bukas plato!
Sa daw?
Pool or beach?
Sir, which swimming pool or dagat? Swimming pool! Because dagat.
Okay, swimming pool or beach? Okay, which one is better? Swimming pool or beach? Okay, kamu na? Na kami. Okay, minus 150 sa sabak. Okay. that's a beach. Okay, correct. Beaches, correct. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and.
In our minds, swimming pool is the best because we're not gonna smell like fish.
Correct. Okay, sila Daniela.
I don't want to smell like
Okay, we will listen to Daniela's group. Kung sa ba sudlayaan mo dana? Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and. Okay, correct. Okay, sila Victoria.
Dalaga ni Peter kay permig ko
Okay, correct. Sila Krisha pa, Krisha. Wait. Ikaw pa kadungog. Saba kayo. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and. Isa ra yung gamiton kung I believe na mo, ayun na paggamit sa in my opinion. So, correct yapon. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and. Okay, correct. Okay, so return the tag boards now and arrange your chairs. And prepare 1/4 sheet of paper. Announce the top 3. Announce first the scores per group. Okay, group 1 has Third place is okay, third place is okay, clap your hands for group 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, second place. Ready and 1, 2, 3. Okay, barangay clap for group 6. Okay, number 1, write the letter of the correct answer.
Sir, wala ka po, sir.
Lingkod sa akin eh.
Ngayon na lang na siya, yun na lang. Let's give a one question. Which is better, mahal ko o mahal ako? Your choice. Ikaw mismo ang nagpili. Pero pag mahal ako, siya ang nagpili. So, kinsa yung pilion? Your own choice or katuang person niya, love ka from the very start. Yes, in my opinion. So, kada lang ang question. Mahal ko o mahal ako? Shoot ka. Dili pwede or. So, mahal ko meaning ikaw mismo ang nagpili sa yaha. Ikaw ang nakagusto. Kay Sanjo, kuha na imuhang supply sa naong. No. 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 Okay. Mahal ko o mahal ako? Mahal ko, it is your choice to love him or her. Mahal ako meaning other person love you pero dili mo sa bet. Dili mo sa bet. Love lang kaniya. Oo, mahal ako. Imong choice. Let's try to see. Mahal ko o mahal ako? Kaya ito sa ipasabot ha. Sa pangutana. Mahal ko, ikaw mismo nakagusto. Ikaw mismo, wala gipugos. Ikaw yun nakagusto sa yaha. Say for example, imong mahal is si Charis. Ikaw yun mismo nakagusto kang Charis. Pero, naay other person nga si Krisha. Mahal ka, pero hindi mo siya ganahan. Mahal ka lang. No. Ginatagaan kanya og time, attention, effort, chocolates, roses. Ginabuhat pa niya imong assignments, projects, kay mahal man kaniya, pero hindi mo siya love. Kay lahi man imong love, lahi imong choice is si Charis. Oh. Mahal ko si Charis o mahal ako ni Krisha. Kaysa imong pilion.
Di ba ang
Dili, lahi nga tao nakagusto sa imo. Kaya ihatag dayon sa basahon mo na niya. Nathalie, alright, there 5 points. Kung correct ang yung reason, Nathalie. Sige dahil take 5 points. 10 points kung naay rason. English ni nga topic. English ni nga subject. So, English ang answers. English. The choices are Tagalog lang. Okay, mahal ko. Say for example, to contribute. So, yang love is si Charis. So, mahal ko si Charis.
Pero dili.
Oh, yan ang love. Pero yan choice niya i-love si Charis. Pero na other person, mahal ako ni Krisha. Kind.
Ako, sir, kanina. Ang mahal ko is better because my perspective is about me and myself and love triangle, sir. Love triangle. I love myself. I myself loves me. He loves I.
Last 2 minutes.
Ayaw ba sa answer, oh?
Masaya mo, teacher.
Ilang ibasa ka na?
Oh, of course.
Ilang isa ba?
Oh.
Ito, natin ang panay.
Yes!
Ano ba, sir? Dalawang ka, sir. Sir, in my opinion, lang.
Tulog yun ay mabasa, sir. Tulog yun ay mabasa. Sa English, ang mahal ako. Love you.
He or she loves me.
Ay, na, Tagalog.
Kaya ito yung English na mahal ko. Mahal ako sa English na mahal ko. I love him or I love her. Pero sa mahal ako, he or she loves me. He or she loves me. English mo nga topic. Mahal ko ang mga choices. Pwede din English ang mga choices. Kaya mahal ko or mahal ako ang mga choices. Pero ang reason, English ang reason. Mahal ako.
Ano?
Sino ang pipiliin ko? Siya ba na pangarap ko? O siya na kumakatok sa puso ko? Okay, pass all your papers now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, we will sing the song first, and then we will read the topic, and then we will all Turn off the camera na dayon. Okay, we will sing the song. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and... Again. Say tono dana. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and... Okay.